Hi, I'm Coastal Kristy. Today I'm going to come to you with 5 of the best rental condominiums along the Alabama Gulf Coast, specifically in Orange Beach. So first, we're going to talk about Turquoise Place. It is a fabulous rental. I was lucky enough to pre-sell Turquoise Place. There are multiple buildings, and no matter which way you enter Orange Beach, you can see the towers. When you enter Turquoise Place, there's a waterfall that streams down, and you have a glorious entryway. The lobby overlooking the Gulf of Mexico is just decorated to the hilt. People enjoy the current amenities, which are a lazy river, tennis courts, indoor pool, outdoor pool, fitness center, multiple jacuzzis. In each unit on your balcony, you have a jacuzzi. And also, you have a gas grill overlooking the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. On their east tower, you can see all the way to Perdido Key. So the views and the fun are found at Turquoise Place. This is why it's the top when it comes to rentals. So at Turquoise Place, the average annual rental income for a 3-bedroom condominium is over $125,000. The average annual income for a 4-bedroom is over $200,000. These are strong rental numbers. Then we have CARIBE. CARIBE is awesome. 3 different buildings close to restaurants, awesome swimming pool and the water slides, and you're closer to the lazy river. So there's a lot of fun stuff for the kids, and it's a family environment at CARIBE. You are on a peninsula. So you're on one side, you can see Old River, see people just trolling and going to Robinson Island. Then on the other side of the sun deck, you can see the Gulf of Mexico and people coming in and out. At CARIBE Resort, the 2 bedrooms can annually rent for an average income of $70,000. The 3 bedroom, their average annual income is over $100,000. So now we go to number 3. The 3rd place is Sea Chase. Not sure if y'all are familiar with Sea Chase. There are 3 buildings. The amenities at Sea Chase include multiple pools on the beautiful Gulf of Mexico, pretty brick walkways from each pool, and there they have multiple floor plans. At Sea Chase, it's a great property to get maximum rental income. At Sea Chase, the 3-bedroom generates approximately $65,000 on an annual basis for rental income, and a 2-bedroom generates approximately $55,000 on average for rental income. Next, we have an oldie but goodie. It's Admiral's Quarters. Admiral's Quarters is like a mini Turquoise Place. It has very similar amenities. The shape of the building is similar as well. The thing about Admiral's Quarters is that their 4 bedrooms are huge. So they have multiple large square footage, and they're right on the Gulf of Mexico. The amenities are smaller, and it's a smaller building than Turquoise Place. A lot of my investors start with Admiral's Quarters or Sea Chase and then jump up to Turquoise Place. At Admiral's Quarters, we have condominiums ranging from a 2-bedroom to a 4-bedroom. And the 2-bedroom are 1,400 square feet. The 4-bedroom are 2,400 square feet. For a 2-bedroom, you're gonna get about $65,000 in rental income. For the 3-bedroom, it should be about $75,000 in rental income. For a 4-bedroom, it should be approximately $85,000 in rental income. Of course, this is approximate and it's on an annual basis. So number 5 is the Phoenix condominiums. You guys, that's a whole slew of condominiums, I'm sure you know. But through my years of selling real estate, Phoenix 5 and Phoenix 7 have been the more economical choice for my clients, and they have actually really enjoyed the rental income because of their unique features out on the water, whether it is a pirate ship in one, or tennis courts, or the racquetball courts. Phoenix condominiums are a very strong investment here along the Alabama Gulf Coast. The rental numbers prove it. Phoenix condominiums, you can generate from a one-bedroom making $30,000 to $50,000 all the way up to a 4 and a 5 bedroom making closer to $200,000. If you guys want to learn about a Phoenix and what the new and greatest is right now on the market, I can help you with that. No Phoenixes, they're a great investment whether you're starting investing along the Alabama Gulf Coast or whether you're looking for the pinnacle, new, greatest, and latest. So those are my top 5 rental investments here along the Orange Beach, Alabama Gulf Coast. So if you have any questions about the condominiums I've mentioned in this video, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Click the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.